What's up, guys? Welcome back. Just a quick little video here. Something I did to the front grille. I kind of blacked out the muzzle, but I ended up using some bed liner texture spray just to kind of give it a nice little, rough finish. Came out really solid. I just wanted to share with you guys, if you guys are considering, painting your front grille, this is the budget-friendly modification you can do. If you guys haven't seen my last video on these inserts, check it out. Just a heads up, these lasted about, maybe 6 months or so before they started getting faded. So I had repainted these. At the end of the video here, I'll post a little video on how I touched them up and what spray paint I used. But this is just an idea if you want to black out that grille, if you guys don't like that dark chrome that these grills come with from factory. This is an alternative here. Try to get a close up here so you guys can see the finish. So I think it complements the gloss black with the textured finish. And I'll eventually be painting these housings here on the fog light. Just wanted to share with you guys.